Hisham ibn Hakam, a brilliant young student of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq, alayhi salam, narrates the following story.
He once heard that a man named Amr ibn Ubaid was sitting among his students in the Grand Mosque of Basra, claiming that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had not appointed anyone as his successor. This news deeply saddened Hisham, so he set out for Basra. When he entered the mosque, he saw a large crowd gathered around Amr. Hisham politely asked those seated to make space for him near Amr, and then said,
"O learned man, I am a stranger in this city. May I ask you a few questions?"
Amr said.
"Of course."
Hisham began.
"Do you have eyes?"
Amr replied.
"My son, what kind of question is that? Of course I have eyes.
"What do you do with them?"
Through them I see colors, people, and things."